Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Hub, where we explore the world of marketing and the life lessons we can learn along the way. If you're new here, I'm Atwima, and today we're diving into one of the most essential topics for anyone starting out in the digital world, a beginner's guide to marketing. And trust me, this isn't just about selling a product or gaining followers. Today we're talking about lessons that extend beyond the marketing world and into life itself. Let's start with something simple, but crucial. Where do you begin? You might feel overwhelmed with all the options out there. SEO, paid ads, social media, email marketing. The list goes on. It's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis. So here's the first piece of advice. Start with why. Ask yourself why you're doing this. Why are you building this brand? Why are you marketing? Why does your product or service matter to people? This isn't just about business. It's about clarity. Once you know why you're doing it, everything else follows. The what and how become clear. This is the foundation, and it'll keep you focused when things get tough. I remember when I first started out, I was all over the place trying every tactic, every new trend I could find. It wasn't until I slowed down and thought about my why that things started to click. It gave me the mental clarity I needed, not just to be a better marketer, but to be more intentional with my time and energy. Think about this in life too. How often do we rush to do things without understanding the reason behind them? Whether it's a project, a relationship, or a personal goal, when we don't ask why, we end up feeling scattered and unfulfilled. So start with why. It'll help you cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters. Once you have your why, it's time to move on to the what. What are you offering to the world? This is where your message comes in. The key is to understand who your audience is and what problem you're solving for them. And here's the most valuable lesson I learned early on. You don't need to please everyone. Marketing is not about casting a wide net and hoping you catch something. It's about speaking directly to the people who need what you're offering. By narrowing your focus, you'll attract more of the right people. Quality over quantity. I used to think I had to appeal to everyone. But the moment I realized that a niche audience is actually more valuable, things started to click. Whether it's your business, your personal growth, or even your relationships, being specific about your focus will bring you better results and less stress. And that brings us to the final piece, the how. How do you go about achieving your marketing goals? Well, it's all about being consistent in building a process. This is where a lot of beginners trip up. They want results fast, and they get frustrated when they don't see instant success. But here's the truth. Marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Growth takes time. It takes effort, yes. But more importantly, it takes patience. Trust the process. In the beginning, you'll try things that don't work, and that's okay. Just like in life, failure is part of the journey. If you're consistent, if you learn from your mistakes, the results will follow. And here's one last lesson I'll leave you with today. Marketing is about building relationships. Don't just sell a product. Don't just get likes on a post. Build a community. Be authentic. Offer value. Whether in business or in life, when you focus on building real connections, everything else will follow. So, if you're starting your journey into marketing or any new adventure, take a deep breath, reflect on your why, be patient with the process, and most importantly, remember to connect with the people you're serving. This isn't just about marketing. It's about making a difference, no matter how big or small. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on starting a marketing journey. Remember, marketing is all about relationships, and I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.